today I'll be showing you guys how to build your inventory and create an event portfolio, even if you don't have any clients. So I've been wanting to do a cowgirl rodeo inspired disco ball type setup for a while now because I wanted to showcase the disco ball trend that is so popular to my clients, but no one was booking the theme. So I decided I was just going to go ahead and do a faux shoot, a styled shoot myself. And thank you so much to efavormart for sponsoring this video. It was the perfect collaboration. Something that I just absolutely loved were these disco balls. Disco balls are all the rage right now. Last year they were so popular with so many different themes. Even weddings, people had disco balls. They were going disco ball crazy, but nobody knows where to get them. efavormart has them all and they are such good quality. The shipping was so quick. I feel like I bought it and it was like on my doorstep like the next day. So I get asked a lot where to buy inventory for an event planning or event decorating business and how to build a portfolio for your business when you don't have any clients. Like I said, creating mock-ups or styled shoots is the way to go. And I'll show you how my husband and I created this styled shoot to showcase the new party theme and inventory. I don't know if you guys have heard about efavormart before, but they are a big online event decor company, very popular, very reputable. They have over 10,000 products in stock and they carry all the event essentials like table linens, chargers, even utensils, cups, and balloons. They have a myriad of different kinds of arches and they're all great quality. And actually my favorite backdrop stand that I recommend to everyone right now, which was featured in my previous top 10 backdrop videos last time, is from efavormart. They also carry staples like these cake pedestal covers, which they have in a ton of different colors. I picked up the black and a nude blush color. What I loved about this round backdrop stand is that they make these custom covers that you can just slide over the round backdrop, and it was so easy to do. We were doing this outside in front of the house and everybody who drove by was looking by. Even a lady walking by was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I absolutely love this neon sign. It came perfectly packaged and was just the right size. Sometimes you order them on other places and they're too small with the proportions of the backdrop, but this one was perfect. So here we are constructing the balloon garland and adding little extra touches to make the photos pop. The weather was totally against us. We had wind, we had rain, we had to do this shoot 2 times actually, but we got it done and look how cute the photos came out. Now I can upload these to my portfolio on my website so clients can book and blast them on my Insta to promote my business. If you guys are looking to build your inventory, make sure to check out efavormart. And don't forget to insert my discount code bashbesties to get 15% off your first order. Later, besties!